Hello, how to do carbon copy printing from the hot folder directory monitor. So what I want to do is take in a PDF and print a copy on tray 1 and a copy on tray 2 with every new PDF that comes into the folder. So to do this, you can use the replication feature. So first of all, I need to set up how I want it to replicate prints. In this case, I want it to do a carbon copy of the same file. What I need to go to File menu, add single file to list. So I'm going to pick from this folder here, the Batch Print Pro examples folder, and I'm going to pick my printer tray name. So it's either tray or bin or cassette or drawer in some cases. So I need to pick the same name as on my printer. So I want tray 1, okay, and then I want to insert a PDF after that. So this is like a simulation how it's going to print. And then I'll add another file to the list, and I want the next one to print on tray 2, and I'm going to put that same PDF there. So if I just click print, it will actually print that file on tray 1 and then that file again on tray 2. So to do replication across many files and in the directory monitor, you highlight by using the control key on the files to replicate, and then you go into action menu, set file for replication. Click yes. In here I want to click on file menu, save settings as. Save it to my test, whatever name you want. So that's set up, ready to go. So I can clear that now. Now go into options, directory monitor setup. So set this up as normal, activate monitoring, every 5 seconds. I'm going to scan this folder here. I'm going to print to the default printer here, what I set up for my trays. I'm just going to print PDF, but you could just leave it for any file type. So that is in extra options notifications. Click on that there. You can see at the top, use replication setup file. Click browse, and I want to set it to that file that I set up. So it should be in here, my test. So that's now all set up. Save and exit, add to monitor list. If you scroll across, you can see the settings there that are set, and including your replication setup. So it's there, set there. So that's ready to go. So I'm going to save and exit. So now it's going to scan the folder. As you can see from here, it's pulled in the file. It's pulled it in twice, one for tray 1 and the next one for tray 2, and then the next file for tray 1 and the next file for tray 2. So if I go onto the printer now, so I can see that it's printed each file twice. So I can right mouse on the first file, make sure it's in submitted order when doing this. So you can see the first one is tray 1 and the second one should be tray 2, and then the next file should be tray 1 again, and the next one is tray 2. So that's exactly what I wanted. And you can do this with more trays. You could do, like, say, example, 5 different trays, 5 different copies if you wanted to, and many other things. Give it a try.